Hi, I'm Yu from UCLA. So very glad to be here to talk about my paper. It's about data selection for large language models. So here, basically, we are motivated by some existing limitations of some existing data selection methods. So for example, the very popular methods of clustering by the embeddings. We found there are two main drawbacks of using this kind of methods. One is that these methods are super dependent on the model you use to get those embeddings. For example, if you're using some off-the-shelf models, it can be very model dependent and less transferable. If you want to train your own proxy models or reference models to get those embeddings, you are doubling the training effort. In the sense that you first train a model to select data, and then you use that selected data to train another model. So here we propose a more scalable way, and that's less rely on the large reference or proxy model. The idea is that you can first use a small model as your proxy reference model, and then during the training, you can save several checkpoints. And for each data in your training data sets, you can record the loss with each of these checkpoints. And for each example, you will get a vector of this loss, which we call the loss trajectories. And the assumption, also the observation here, is that two examples with similar loss trajectories, they actually has really similar topics or in the way that they're asking or answering questions, and they also have very similar effects on training. And the method we propose is to first do a clustering on these loss trajectories, and then you can do balance sampling from all these clusters. So there are two advantages. The first is that you can remove the redundant data in your training data set, and second, you can also keep the diversity you have in your original training data.